Good morning, lovelies. Our first card is from Spirit, wants us to act. We need to get off our asses and do what's necessary for ourselves. We've slogged away and we've done all the work that's needed, and it's time now for good things to come your way. Something important like a raise or a new job. Leave behind the things that don't. Gel with you anymore and move forward. Even if it's hard work ahead, stay positive for it's going to be good for you. There is money or property coming your way in the form of inheritance or a winning or a windfall. Stay aligned and follow your light within. You're going on a short journey, or you've been on a short journey, and you will notice that divine wishes have been granted to you. You have a secret admirer in the heavens that is giving you the security and a helping hand with love. um, Control your anger, or you might be sorry. You are being given the strength to deal with challenges, but also you need the strength to deal with your blessings as well. You need to defend yourself. You are going to get some victory news, and that's coming in very soon. And Spirit says you will be shown the way. You are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life, and you will soon see the recognition and you will get the reward you are looking for. Your ancestors and loved ones in heavens are with you, and they're sending you loads of love. They say something you wished for is coming too soon, and you must carry on looking after your body, your mind, and your spirit. It's time to take time out and simplify your life. You are aligned with the abundant universe and understanding and being patient. Some things just take longer than other things. But very soon, that you have been wishing for is coming true in a very happy way. It's time for great prosperity, and you need to prepare yourself. Believe it, it's coming. It really is. You must do a bit of emotional healing. It is safe for you to let go of old emotional pain. They want you to know that endings are inevitable, and you must go within yourself and know that you are always enough. Don't ever doubt your self worth. Have a lovely day.